It smells good too. It's also broken. Times my forehead. Time is running. Usually I use my hand. Doing school assignment. Wrong choice of weapon. Buddy. Hey guys, welcome to Waka Waka. So it's been like how many days in isolation, and today this whole idea is to see if I can do my makeup in 5 minutes. And I am also going to talk about what I've been doing in isolation so far in these days. When it comes to my makeup, I forgot something. I'm gonna post that. So when it comes to my makeup, what I like to do first is to spray my perfume, and what that does is that it sets me in the mood and just gets me ready. It creates like this ambience already around me, and I like to go in with, this is my moisturizer. So let's say I am standing in my bathroom, and coconut oil, this is my body lotion. So I mix it together. I need to stop putting my hand across there, and then just go in my face like that. So this goes all over my body. And the days that I have time, I use my eye cream. This is Dead Sea treatment. Goes underneath my eyes like that. Oh my god, time is running. Like that. Yeah, the eye cream goes in there. Smells good too. I'm not an expert, so just be patient with me. I go in with my foundation. I use this MAC. It has SPF 15 Studio Fix Fluid. Usually I use my hand. There's actually a cover for it that sprays it out, but I just can't seem to find it. One more, let me add more to it. I use my hand a lot when I make up, so, and then I come in with my brush and I just spread it around like that. The streets are quiet this day, like there's almost like no car movement outside. Once this is in, if I want like extra definition, I have like this True Match luminous makeup that I also use, and I just put it under my eyes for more definition. Sometimes my forehead. Once I'm done with this makeup, I'm going back to sleep. What have I been doing in all of these days? Let's see. I've been doing some school assignments because my school is trying to implement online space where students can come and study. So we've been speaking to some of our lecturers about assignments and deadlines and what we need to do. If you notice, I am using this brush because I use my eyebrow pencil too, but for me it allows me to like brush my eyebrow, and I didn't use this in my eyelash because I have like really small lashes. Oh my god, I feel like this makeup is gonna be a disaster. This is too dark. Oh god. Oh, Jesus, save me. Oh, I have to hurry now. I feel like time is against me. Oh, see, this powder is like broken. And I just come in here and then I go in the forehead like that. I go in with my not eyeshadow. I go in with this, the blush. It's also broken. Like that. I like to, like, whenever I apply stuff, I kind of like open my mouth. Like that. Right? Doesn't look bad. Is it bad? I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe I should have skipped some steps. And then I have this, which is my highlighter. It's like, for me, this is like just on the nose, right? Put it on the nose. And then underneath my brow. And then here. Then I come in with the brush. And yeah, I think it's looking good. I'm exceeding the 5 minutes already. Like that. So on a day that I want attention on my lip, this is my go-to lipstick. This is Rubio Retro Mac, and I've been using this particular lipstick. This is the most lipstick that I own, and I've been using it for like 5 to 6 years. It smells good too. Apparently, I cannot complete my makeup routine in 5 minutes, but I feel this is good. Yeah. So this is usually my normal day, with even without the lipstick. For me, it's just simple, and I'm out of the door. During this isolation, I have been doing school assignments. I have been shooting some vlogs too, speaking with some of my friends. Actually, because I didn't tell anyone back home in Nigeria that there's a lockdown here, so I think my sister found out yesterday, and I got like 2 messages today. She's like, "Hey, what's up? How are you doing? I heard there's a lockdown here in the Philippines." I just don't want them to worry, because once they know, it's like they will just keep blowing up my phone. That is not what I want. And what else have I been doing? I've been doing some push-ups, eating food. Like, I consume more than the normal amount of food that I would usually do. Lots of Netflixing. I've not gone shopping for a week now. I mean, I stocked up on food for sure. I think in the coming days, I'm just gonna walk around and see what is happening, and try to go running, do some exercises, and just keep my spirit up. I've also been watering my plants. I've been doing like intense cleaning. Like, if you see my apartment, it's like really clean and put together, and just, it's just been really nice to have this time and not that much pressure from school, so that's good. What else? I did a tutorial how to make your own DIY mask, but of course you need a sewing machine, and it kind of like triggers me back to maybe I might be doing some sewing tutorials. I mean, I know how to sew, I know how to put garments together, and I know how to refashion outfits. So I think I should be seeing more of sewing videos, more of sewing vlogs, and just basic general stuff in my life, and I'll try to keep it interesting, not boring. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share this message and say hello. But it's been good. But I think what I've not done so far in this lockdown is I've not been exercising as I used to. I mean, even without the gym, I used to like go running outside for like 1 hour. So that's one thing I've not been doing. I've not been reading. Like, I have like loads of books here. I have romance novels that I love, but I've not been doing those. I've just been school assignments for sure, and just lazying around and talking to you guys. So yeah, that's been good. So see you in few days time. I'm gonna shoot another vlog.